Okay, so this is just a quick overview to show you how to, when you get these big, long Google Sheets that have thousands of prompts on them. This has 2,265 prompts from the most recent product for the Christian coloring pages, but it doesn't matter what you get it for. When you get these big, long sheets, you want to be able to organize it so that you can get to what is there, because it gets very confusing after a while. You have so many, right? And it makes it sort of unwieldy. So here is all the different categories. So I want to just show you really quickly how to do this. So I'm down here on one of the topics. All of Alessandro's topics have this information here on this side panel. So watch carefully. I am going to click on this row. I'm going to create a row above. I'm going to take this name. I'm going to Control C to copy and paste, and Control V to paste it there. I'm going to take this category explanation. Again, all of Alessandro's are the same. I'm sure other people's are very similar, and you can figure that out once you get it. I'm going to Control X to cut, and then Control V to put it here so that I have the category heading. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and then I'm going to go up here. I'm going to do this fill color and make it black. You can make whatever color you want, green, purple, orange, I don't care, just so that I have a category heading. I'm going to make the text white so that it shows. All right. And then here you'll have this little box, and this is the box that makes the lines. I want that box to be white. All right. So I just click on it so that it creates these divider lines right here, because these divider lines are black. I want the divider lines to be white, so it's very easy and clear what I'm looking at. Now I'm going to click off of there, and then I'm going to highlight just these two boxes here, and I'm going to go up here and click Merge Cells. So those are all together right here, up here on your bar in the Google Docs. Now, I don't know how this works in Excel. I'm not covering Excel. I'm only covering Google Docs because that's what these things come as. So with this one here, I'm just going to make that bigger. I'll make it 14 point size. Now, the next step, I have to click on here. I don't want the hand, because the hand will actually move that row. So I would need to make sure it is going to be just an arrow and it's not moving my cell. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the end of this heading, and that heading ends right there. Now, once I'm at the end, I'm going to click, and down here at the very bottom, it says View More Row Actions. I'm going to go and click on Group Rows. And then a little bar right there will appear, and then I scroll back up to the top. See how many are in that category? And then I can just toggle that on and off. So toggle on, toggle off, toggle on, toggle off. Now when you toggle it on, it always is blue highlighted. I don't know why, but just click off it and then the blue will go away. We'll do one more. Okay, just so that you can see. So this is Angels of Peace. I'm going to go here. I'm going to insert a row above, copy this, Control C, Control V, take this, Control X, Control C, highlight the whole thing, turn the fill black, turn the font white. I'm going to click off. I should have actually highlighted this box right here to turn it white. Click off, highlight those two, merge cells so those two merge, increase the font to whatever you want the font to be increased to. Now highlight this whole category. And if you just spend even just It might take an hour to do this to whatever you've purchased, but now it makes it usable. Okay, view more row actions, group rows, and scroll back up to the top of that category. And now the toggle is on. All right, on there. See? So now it drops down. I have the next category there. So when I get these, I just spend, it probably takes an hour, because especially for something that has 2,000 of these, that's long and arduous. So I'm almost done, but I wanted to make sure I shared that productivity hack with you, because now I know exactly what I've purchased. And when I want to make Garden of Eden Angels or whatever that you've purchased, whether it's children's coloring pages or whatever, I now have the ability to use them.